Okay guys and girls, welcome back in a new YouTube video with your boy Happy Chef TV. Today we're gonna make some easy, simple, super delicious chocolate mousse. So let's get it in, let's have some fun, and of course don't be afraid to subscribe on my channel. It's all for free. Like some videos and have fun with this video, baby. Okay, beautiful people, let's start with some ingredients for our chocolate mousse. So we're gonna start with some normal sugar, 3 eggs, 500 milliliters of cream, and 300 grams of chocolate. Let's make a nice dish, baby. Okay, let's crush some fucking chocolate and put it on a double boiler. Okay, let's put the chocolate on the double boiler and let's melt it. Okay guys, second step is beating up the cream yogurt thick. So we're gonna add the 500 milliliters of cream. You can't beat it up with the hands, but we're gonna use the machine today. So let's get it in, baby. Okay, let's get the cream out of there, beautiful people. Nice yogurt thick, super awesome. So we're gonna do it in a bowl and put it in the fridge. And then we're gonna clean our bowl from the cream and we're gonna beat up our eggs with the sugar in that, but make sure you clean up your bowl really good. You can always use a little bit of lime or lemon juice so there's no fat from the cream in the bowl anymore, because we need all the air in the eggs. And fat can really break down the air to beat up your eggs. So let's do this, baby. Okay guys and girls, we got a nice clean bowl, no fat in there anymore. That's good to beat up your eggs with the sugar. The chocolate is melted enough, so we're gonna put it off the fire, and the cream is in the fridge chilling out. So let's get the chocolate off the fire. Very nice. And beat up some eggs. Okay, these eggs and sugar are nice and airy. So we're gonna mix it up with the chocolate. We're gonna put the chocolate back for a little moment again on the fire, give it a little bit of extra heat. Then we're gonna mix the chocolate super fast with the airy eggs, and then on the end we're gonna add the cream and put it in buckets. Okay guys, let's get the chocolate off of there. Stir it a little bit. Then we're gonna add it all at once in the pot here and mix it up really good. Because otherwise the chocolate is gonna stall and it's gonna be thick too easy, too quick. Okay, let's now get the cream out of the fridge. Okay, let's now add the cream to the chocolate and the egg, and then we're gonna mix it with a spatula. Okay guys and girls, we're gonna now put it in buckets and make sure this is an extra thick recipe for more people. So you can always make 1/3 of the recipe if you like, but this is a recipe for 10 persons. So we're gonna do it in buckets now, so we can give away to family and friends a little bit in these hard times, you know. Super nice to have that at home. Okay guys and girls, we got a beautiful batch of chocolate mousse over here right now. We're gonna put the tops on there and then we're gonna put them in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Let it chill, let it stiff up, becoming a little bit harder. Beautiful structure, so let's get it to the fridge and then we're gonna wait for the plating time.
Three hours later.
Okay, beautiful people, we got a fantastic chocolate mousse over here, easy to make. We got some white chocolate to grate, a little bit of tangerine and some banana. We're gonna plate it up a little bit. Of course you can use strawberries, red fruits and vanilla sauce, a little bit of whipped cream or a ball of vanilla ice cream. But we're gonna do it a little bit easy with some fruits and some grated white chocolate. So let's get the plating game in the scene, baby. So we got an easy chocolate mousse plated, so let's give it to the guest, baby. Yo guys and girls, thank you so much again for watching the video. Much appreciated. Hope you had a lot of fun watching it. Don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel, of course. It's all for free, or like a few of my videos. And what you really got to do is check out my Twitch channel, streaming 5-6 days live at Twitch with the Foodie Fam. A lot of fun, good vibes, good foods, making a lot of things. Sometimes IRL streams. Freaking amazing. Thank you for watching again, and a special thanks for my Bauer brothers and my boy Johnny Scottish for making this all happen for me. I gotta do a lot of things, but they doing a lot of things behind the screens as well, so much love for that, guys. And let's go, my 3 musketeers. Bam!